Hello guys, I am Godknows Chihota, a man from Tego. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Remember to click subscribe button so that we can create more videos for you. Just for today, we just want to continue with our issue on how to create a form in a database. How can we enter information using a form to our database? So I'm going to open my database, the database of Tego software command. So I'll close this pop-up window and then double click here to see my table. So I just want to enter another information using the form method, and then I'll refresh my information to be in this table. So what I'm going to have to do, boys and girls, I'll click this create table. These are tabs. We have got one tab, create tab, external data, database tools, fields, tables. These are my tabs. So what I need to do, I'll click create table, and then I'll select form wizard. This is my form wizard, and then yeah, which fields do you want on your forms? So I can click the fields that I want, the field names that I want to be used in my form. So I can select a single field by clicking this arrow or clicking this arrow, so that I can select the field that I want. Maybe I want to select salary. I can also click. You see what happens here? Or else you can use another method. You can click form wizard, and then maybe if you want to select all fields, you click this icon. You click this so that all fields will be here, and then you can see the table that I want to use to create a form. I want to use table employees. So this is my table employees that I want to use to create my form. And then what you need to do right now, I need to click next. So here you can change the layout of your form. Maybe you want tabular or a data sheet or justified, but for today we just want to continue with this column layout. So I will click next. Okay, what title did you want to give to your form? You can change the title that you want to give to your form. Maybe you can say table employees 1, and then that's the all information on the wizard needs to create your form. Do you want to open the form or modify the form's design? So what you're seeing here, boys and girls, you can click modify the form's design so that you can be allowed to design your form. You can be given information that can design your form before you open your form. So many times you just want to click on modify the form's design, so you will click finish. So here we can modify our form. We can change the fonts. So I'll click this form tab so that I can change maybe the font color. I just want to red, and I want to bold, and then I want to change the font type. I want this Agents FB, and then I want to change the font size to size 28. So that's how to modify our form. I'm now modifying my form so that it will be presentable, and then I highlight information, and then I want this to be times New Roman times exactly times New Roman. Font size I just want font size 16. Okay, I think that is actually good. So what I need to do right now, I need to save, Control S, and then open my form. So this is my form, Table employees 1. This is my form. So you can see that I'm on my server Kure. This information is here, or I can click next to see the information that is on my table, and then I can click next. So if you want to enter a new one, I can click this icon, new or blank record. If I want to see the first record, I can click this one, first record. If I want to see the last record, I can click this icon. If I want to enter another record, I can click this one, new or blank. So I'm gonna type the name of another employee of Tego Softwares. We have got Godknows Chihota. Okay. Yeah, then we've got Godknows Chihota, age 67, salary maybe it's 400 because he's a manager, and then I'll click new so that I can enter another one. I've got John John Reeves, and then age 65, salary $400, and then what I need to do, boys and girls, I need to save. So you can see that this form allows me to enter another information to so that it will be presentable. If you enter information using a form, I think that it will be wise. So what I'm gonna have to do right now, I want to open my table employees table, so I will just double click here, but you can see now that the information that I entered using a form is not there. So what I need to do, I'll click here on the home tab, I'll click this drop down arrow on refresh all, and then I'll click refresh all. So my information that I enter is here right now. You can see Godchota, and then you can see John Beans, and then you can see another God here, but you can also enter information here. Maybe I forget to enter the information. Farai age 53, salary 300. So you can see that here we've got the table of our employees. This is the table for our employees. So you can see now that it is now presentable, so you can enter using this method of a form. So we just select just a columnar layout. You can also choose a tabular layout. You can also choose any layout that you want. So I hope you enjoyed this powerful tutorial. We're looking forward to see you in the next video, when I'll be talking about how can we create a report. If you didn't want to miss the next video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.